Our first stop after leaving Denver was Fort Collins. It took us approximately 1.5 hours from Denver to Fort Collins, which is about 90 kilometers north of Denver. Fort Collins is a small town with about 170,000 population, and it's part of Larimer County. The town was established in 1860 as part of United States Armed Forces. The town has agricultural industry and sheep farming. Subsequently, it became a seat of Colorado State University. Since lot of graduating students are available from Colorado State Universities, many of the good companies have, like Intel etc., have now established their offices in Fort Collins. Fort Collins town is near Rocky Mountains. One of the most visited tourist sites in Fort Collins is Horsetooth Reservoir. Almost 600,000 people visit the reservoir every year. The reservoir is approximately 10 kilometers long, about a kilometer wide, and has maximum depth of approximately 200 feet. The reservoir was constructed in 1949. There are 4 earthen dams on the eastern flank of the reservoir, and the height of the dams is in the range of approximately 200 feet. We drove approximately 15 minutes from our hotel to the reservoir. There is a parking area near the reservoir. So, we parked our car and then looked at the reservoir. We are pleasantly surprised. The reservoir was really beautiful. The parking lot is on a ridge. On one side is the reservoir, and from the second side you get a beautiful view of the town of Fort Collins. The weather that day was beautiful and the sky was clear, so we could see for a long distance very clearly. The long 10-kilometer stretch of the water of the reservoir provided a really beautiful sight, and on the opposite bank were the mountains, and the overall view was really absolutely beautiful. There were many people who had come for mountain biking, while there were others who had come down for a long walk on the ridge, while there were some like us who were happy sitting down and looking at the reservoir and the mountain in the front side. There were a couple of tables and sitting benches for picnickers who could have snacks while looking at the reservoir. Breeze was really heavenly, and it was just fantastic to sit down and feel the breeze flowing over the body. There was a photographer who had brought his drone to take the video film of the area. I am sure he got a wonderful film that day. When the reservoir was built, they had to relocate a town which was there in the reservoir area. So, most of the town was relocated. However, a school foundation still lies under the water of the reservoir. They permit water sports in the reservoir like kayaking or boating etc. Fishing is also allowed and people can swim. However, diving is not permitted because of safety considerations. When I had heard about the Horsetooth Reservoir, initially I wasn't really impressed, and since we had time, we said let us go and see how the reservoir is, but it really turned out to be very beautiful and above our expectations. After visiting the reservoir, we tried to look for restaurants in downtown area, but couldn't get any parking, and so we had to abandon the thought. Next day, the drive from Fort Collins to Estes Park was really beautiful. It passes through a canyon and the view of the canyon road is absolutely superb. The road is winding through the canyon and the view continuously changes. The length of the canyon portion of the road is approximately 15 kilometers and you enjoy every meter of this stretch of this road. Do travel on this road to Estes Park.